How's it, guys? Yeah, so let's go over the update. I do have a big update today because there's a lot of setups I'm looking at throughout the week. And yeah, first of all, I do want to go over what's happening this week. So you can see whenever I open up for the new week, you have to go over what is happening throughout the week in terms of Forex Factory. So this shows us all of the most important levels, the most important news that's coming out within the week. Okay. So if you look here, we have nothing today. Tomorrow there's no news. Wednesday there is a little bit of news. So we have Fed, the Powell testifies, and then on Thursday we have also another Fed testification, and then on Friday, flash manufacturing PMI. So it's not a crazy week in terms of news, which is obviously good. Obviously the past few weeks have been a bit crazy in terms of news, so we do need to watch out for this week that there is no news, which is quite nice. So no manipulation in the market. Okay. So let's start off with going over Bitcoin. I will be going over a few coins to let you know about the setups that I'm going through this week. So yeah, so let's have a look here. This is Bitcoin on the weekly time frame. So you always want to go over the weekly time frame first, as it is a new week, it is a Monday, and there is a lot of new opportunities within the new week. So you can see that the weekly time frame did close bullish. We did have a top wick and we created that nice bottom wick, which obviously grabbed out a lot of liquidity at those levels. Okay, so we have a little bit of support at this zone over here, so we need to mark it out. Let's make that in white. Let's show that again. Let's just refresh this. So yeah, there is a little bit of support at this 27K level. I will draw it on the chart so you guys can see it. There, it's drawn over there. 26,700. Okay, so this level here that I've drawn on the chart is the level that needs to get taken out in order for us to come back to this 27,400 zone. Okay, I will be going over the daily time frame to make it clear that this is the zone that needs to get taken out for us to be more bullish. But currently I'm bullish on the weekly and I'm bullish on the daily. The reason why I'm bullish on the daily is because this level here is getting respected, right? So this 26,300 level is getting respected within yesterday and the day before. Okay, so yeah, at the moment I am currently bullish in terms of looking at this. So what needs to happen is we need to see a closure above this level here, a closure above these highs, in order for price to come back up to this level. We're going to see quite a bit of price action over here. So we could look at a potential sell over here, back down to these highs, and then take it along back up to these highs. So that's my situation on Bitcoin at the moment, as the market is looking very, very clean within the new week. There's a lot of opportunities that I can see here within Bitcoin, especially. You can see that this level here, once price closes above here, we should be able to take some longs back up to 27,400. Okay, so 27,400, 27,300 is the level that needs to break in order for this bullish price action to carry on happening. Okay, so yeah, at the moment Bitcoin is looking quite clean to the upside. In order for it to be bearish, we obviously need to see some price action close below 26,300. Okay, so once price closes below here, then we should see price come down to these levels over here, yeah, to the daily support. So you can see here, this is where price is getting rejected. So technically what I would be looking at here, let's just say price does close below 26,200, and you missed that selling opportunity. What I would do is I would look for a long opportunity over here, and then what another opportunity. So that's if price loses that level, and if price takes out this level 26,700, I'll probably look for a long above here. So we need to wait for the candles to close though. So what I mean by that is once we see a 4-hour candle close bullish above this 26,750 level, then we can look for longs back up to 27,500, 27,400. And if price closes below this 26,200 level on the 4-hour chart, then we can obviously look for sells from here. So you can look for a sell back down to 25,600, and then a potential long back up to 26,300. Okay, so that's my current situation for Bitcoin. Obviously looks quite clean. Yeah. So let's go over a few other coins quickly. Let's have a look at Ethereum. Yeah, so Ethereum was interesting. So this was, let me just change this. This was my prediction for ETH within the last couple of days. So you can see that I did get it spot on over here. So if you look at the daily time frame, we were over here on this red candle, where I actually said that price is most likely going to come back to this level and get a bounce. So yeah, obviously now we can take this away and see where price is going within today. So if you have a look at the 4 hour chart, yeah, it's obviously back into this consolidation range. So if we do take this trend line over here, it is getting respected right over here. Okay, so what we would need to see happen is a breakout of this trend line, and then look for bars back up to these highs over here. Okay, so this is your level that price needs to come back up to, which is 1789. Have been speaking about this level for the past couple weeks, couple days, sorry. So once we actually break above this level here, you can look for potential long back up to the zone, something like this. But let's have a look at the 1 hour chart, because there might be something that on the 4 hour we're not seeing. Okay, so on the 1 hour chart, let's see here. Yeah, on the 1 hour, what you can do here is look. You can see I've drawn this line over here, which is your 1 hour resistance. Okay, so this level here, I'll just take away this level. This is your 1 hour resistance at 1727. Once we break above here, then we can look for longs back up to this zone 1741. That was a zone I was looking at for shorting yesterday. It was our point of interest. Actually, this whole zone here was our point of interest. So looking for shorts yesterday at this zone was the ideal play, because we're trading up into that area. Okay, but because we lost this low here, it is looking more on the bearish side on the 1 hour. But obviously, once we break above 1727, we can look for potential long positions for ETH. Okay, so this is my scenario for Ethereum within today. Looking for a long position back up to 1744. So we need to see a 1 hour candle closure above this level. Okay, so yeah, that's my update for today. If you guys did enjoy the video, make sure you like and subscribe. I will be doing these updates every day. You guys can be informed about what's happening in the market, because currently the market is looking good within the week, and you want to make the most of the opportunities. So yeah, make sure you do like this video, and if you're not subscribed already, make sure you do that, and then put the notification bell on, which will help a lot to keep you guys updated. So yeah.